I'm currently the Director of AI Strategy and Strategic Partnerships for our Automotive product group, and looking at all the signal processors for radar, LiDAR, cameras, specifically vision, and of course the central compute that we do. So today I'm going to touch on where cloud processing can be applied in autonomous vehicles, where it is being used, and how we see that progressing. Just to quickly touch on the basic autonomous vehicle system as we know it. We apply it to the sense, think, act model, and the sense model of this is where we have all the sensor inputs. So even from the lowly ultrasonic to the usual suspects of LiDAR, radar, camera, and the telematics sensors coming in to what we label as a perception module. This creating a view of the environment of the vehicle, and then feeding into the thought module, the think module that uses map data to localize where the car is within a given map, and it gives it information about what is surrounding it, and this information then used in the path planner to actually take the car from point A to point B as you would need an autonomous setup. All of this then circled by what we call a safety channel. So the path planner takes care of a long-term trajectory, whereas the safety channel looks at the immediate implications of that path planner's output and decides if the path planner is making a safe decision on how to move the car forward, backwards, etc. And as long as it's safe, then you have the actuation modules coming in with your steering, your transmission, acceleration, deceleration, and braking, etc. So the data around the car is not static, it's a constantly dynamic model, and you need to be able to accurately sense to safely respond to your surroundings.